Hi, this is Jeremy Bradshaw with MarineMax in Venice, and this is one of our recent trades. This is a beautiful 2016 Sea Ray 290 Sun Deck. So what we'll do, we'll kind of go through some of the options. As you can see, this one's got a very nice color scheme, pretty cool. This one also has your 250 Barados, and this is the joystick docking, which we'll get into just a little bit. Very nice option on the boat. So as we go inside, the 29 is basically designed to give you a super nice ride with the wide beam, tremendous amount of storage because the engines are out here versus taking up all your storage area. So you've got very comfortable loungers right here. This one does have your arch, also VHF radio. She's got a GPS. This is going to be our joystick docking right here. Along with that comes autopilot. Digital throttle and shift, Icom VHF, Raymarine right there, and your vessel view. She also offers a fully enclosed head. This one has a freshwater system in there as well, with pump out, and very good headroom all the way around. These seats go back and forth, so if you're doing some entertaining or have a large family, as you can see, it's a very nice boat, very comfortable for seating. You got a tremendous amount of room in the bow area. So, and it's very deep up there as well. So anyway, it's an extremely nice boat. To recap, 2016 Sea Ray 290 SDX twin engine outboard. If you'd like some additional information, feel free to give us a call. Again, my name's Jeremy Bradshaw, and the phone number here at MarineMax in Venice is 941-485-3388. Thanks for taking the time, and we hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.